Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Earthfund token. Ticker symbol is 1EARTH. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is an Ethereum token. So I was just scrolling through their Etherscan here. I do not see any Uniswap swaps. So I'm not sure if it is available on Uniswap. If you guys know, you could always throw a comment down there. But according to CoinMarketCap, it is listed on 3 different central exchanges. So you can get this token off of Latican, you can get it off of Gate, or you can get it off of KuCoin. And it is paired with USDT. So basically you just open any one of those accounts on your mobile or a PC. Go into the trade section after you fund your account with USDT and search the number 1 and then Earth, all one word, and then simply just buy the token since that is the ticker symbol for this token. So Earthfund.io is their official webpage. They do have a Medium, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, full white paper, GitHub, price chart, contract address. All those things are available on CoinMarketCap. A lot of bullish comments here on CoinMarketCap as of recently. I think I did see this in the top gainer section a day or 2 ago. It was doing pretty well. So it says right now the fate and funding of potentially world-changing ideas is decided by governments, charities, and billionaires' vanity projects. We want to decentralize that power and give our global community a real say in the shape of the future. That's why we're using blockchain technology to build new ways for our global community to fund game-changing ideas, support causes they care about, and have a voice in the collective future. Earthfund is built on the idea of taking power, influence, and treasury of billionaires-run foundations and giving it to the global community of committed individuals to use to change the world. Everything we do is governed and decided by the Earthfund DAO, or the communities within the DAO, a decentralized governing body that has a complete control over everything from what causes we support and how we operate. So in a nutshell, that's what this project's all about. Now, if you head over to their Etherscan, it says they have 510 holders so far, 7,030 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token. They do have a full white paper on their webpage, or you can find it on their Etherscan. It's a very lengthy white paper. I believe it was over 40 pages when I was looking at it. The max total supply of this token is 1 billion tokens. You can find their contact email and all their socials on their Etherscan as well. Now, if you go to their official webpage, earthfund.io, you can sign into your account. It says start a DAO for free. So you could start your own decentralized organization. There's browsing community, so you can browse other DAOs and then show how there's a section on how it works and pricing and stuff like that. So Web 3.0 philanthropy made simple. Meet the new home of doing good. Web 3.0 doesn't need to be difficult. Whether you want the simplest way to launch and run an impact DAO, a way to donate crypto to communities making a difference, or to join global decentralized groups of people that want to build a better tomorrow, you're in the right place. And you can start a DAO. So they've been featured in Forbes, CNBC, Cointelegraph, CoinDesk, Associated Press. A world-changing DAO in a box. With an intuitive no-code onboarding experience and a simple dashboard to help you get started, you can launch your DAO almost instantly. No-code DAO setup with super simple wizard. Mint your own ERC20 governance tokens. and the easiest way to launch a DAO. So changing the world one DAO at a time. So far they've had 3 DAOs launched, so it's a very new project, I assume, if only 3 are launched so far. 5 grants, over $7,700 in community rewards, and $172,500 funds raised so far. Meet the DAOs changing the world. Meet some of the world-changing communities that are using Earthfund to raise money and make a difference. So they have the Female Empowerment DAO that's raised $3,380 so far. Community-led carbon removal project that's raised $5,000. And then they have the Mental Health and Well-Being Fund that's raised $140,000 so far. So those are the 3 DAOs that have been started so far. Launch your DAO, change the world with an intuitive no-code onboarding experience and a shortcut around complicated setup processes. It's never been easier to launch and grow a DAO dedicated to making the world a better place. Launch your DAO today and join Deepak Chopra, Never Alone, and a global community of philanthropists dedicated to building a better tomorrow. Proud to be partners with the best Web 3.0 solutions. We partnered with the best DAO solutions in Web 3, the space to make it super simple to start and run your own DAO. So they partnered with Gnosis, Simplex, CoinShift, and Snapshot, and I have heard about at least 2 or 3 of those before. Making it easy for anyone to start a DAO, from establishing nonprofits to dedicated individuals. We're making it easier than ever before to launch your own DAO. Kind of repeating themselves a little bit through this paper here. So it says, join the community, change the world. All their socials are listed on here. So they have a solutions section. You can click on more details basically on no-code DAO in a box, guardrails for safer Web 3.0, crypto donations made simple, do good and earn. So then they have an Earthfund DAO section where you can click on buy the 1EARTH token, stake your 1EARTH tokens. You can read the handbook, join the Earthfund DAO, and then they have an About Us section, meet the team, pricing, press and news, and then of course start your own DAO. Now, if you follow them on Twitter, they are at Earthfund_IO. So far they have 6,637 Twitter followers. They're actually verified on Twitter. 2,647 tweets. And their most recent tweet here is from 4 hours ago. So there's it's a article in Block Telegraph that they basically retweeted. So they're pretty active on their Twitter there. So check them out on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about Earthfund and the 1EARTH token. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.